Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging freezing, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example now. Right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. This may take some time, wait for it, and after verifying the game files, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, then again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable peripherals. So remove devices like wireless keyboards or special gaming mice that can send interfering signals to the game's input system. The signals could confuse the game or overload certain system functions. So if you are using any peripherals like a wheel, controller, other USB devices, or even the second monitor, simply unplug them and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in a browser or even search for Visual C++ files in Google. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. After it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after it is finished, you have to close this, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game again and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is done, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options, and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services, select hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager, and here also do the same thing, select the application and then click on disable. After doing this, go back and click on OK, and finally launch the game and check. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphic settings, so search for graphic settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list over here. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding your game to the list over here, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.